for the island of Maui until 4:30 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain occurring across several areas of the island of Maui. Rain has been falling at a rate of 1.5 to 2.5 inches per hour since earlier this morning. Additional heavy rainfall and thunderstorms will move across the county this afternoon. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Public road closures possible in some areas. Landslides are possible in steep terrain. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kahului, Kihei, Lahaina, Kulai, Pukalani, Makawao, Keokea, Hali'imailai, Pravia, Pu'inene, Halikupe'uvela, Wailea, Pa'uvela, Ma'alaya, Ulupalaku, Huelo, Makina, Waikapu, Waialuku, and Waiahu. Do not cross fast-flowing or rising water in your vehicle or on foot. Turn around, don't drown.